In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a graphic organizer in Google Docs. This tool is incredibly useful for visually organizing your ideas, whether for a school project, work presentation, or personal brainstorming session. So let's dive right in and get started with the creation process. The first thing you'll want to do is open a new Google Docs document. Simply head over to docs.google.com and start a new blank document. This is your canvas where all the magic will happen. Next, we'll add a drawing canvas. To do this, click on the Insert menu at the top of the page. Then, select Drawing and click on Plus New. This opens Google's Drawing tool, which is a powerful component for building your graphic organizer. Now, we're ready to start building the organizer using shapes. Click on the shape icon in the toolbar. Here you can choose from a variety of shapes like rectangles, circles, or squares. Draw these shapes onto the canvas. These shapes will represent your ideas, categories, or steps depending on what kind of organizer you're creating. To visually connect your shapes and show relationships or flow, you'll want to use lines or arrows. Click the line tool and then choose between an arrow or a straight line depending on your needs. Draw these lines to connect the shapes, indicating how one idea flows into another or how different categories relate to each other. Once you've set up the basic structure, it's time to add text to your shapes. Double-click inside each shape to begin typing. Here you can label your shapes with ideas, notes, or steps. Take advantage of the formatting toolbar to adjust the font, size, and color of your text for better clarity and emphasis. After your elements are in place, you may want to ensure they are neatly arranged and aligned. Use the Arrange menu to align shapes and lines neatly. You can also group related shapes together. This is particularly useful if you need to move a complete section without disrupting the layout of other elements. Once everything looks good and you're satisfied with your graphic organizer, click Save and Close to insert it into your document. You can resize or move it within your document just like any other image. Finally, know that your graphic organizer isn't set in stone. If you need to edit it later, simply click on the graphic organizer image in your doc and select Edit to reopen the drawing tool. From there, you can adjust any part of your organizer, and there you have it. Now you know how to create and manage a graphic organizer within Google Docs. It's a simple yet powerful way to visualize your ideas more effectively. Thanks for watching and happy organizing.